Hello and welcome to Sitara Ka Safar. I'm your astrologer N Baksh. In today's video, we will talk about your weekly finances, love life, and health. I will be telling the remedies for your star position, and for better remedies, you can comment your date of birth. I'll see your star position and will let you know the exact and more effective remedies that suit you. Let's start with the weekly horoscope. For Taurus ascendants, Moon in the 6th house on March 17th to 19th can bring workplace challenges, competition, or misunderstandings with colleagues. So stay diplomatic and avoid office politics. Mars in the 2nd house at 25 degrees boosts income potential but also brings impulsive spending. Avoid unnecessary expenses or risky investments. Jupiter in the 1st house provides financial protection, but Mercury retrograde in the 11th house could cause delays in payments, stuck investments, or miscommunication in financial dealings. Saturn in the 10th house at 29 degrees demands hard work and patience for career progress. No shortcuts will work. Persistence is key. This is a good time to explore side income sources, but only through stable, long-term methods. Avoid quick profit schemes, crypto, trading, or high-risk lottery investments. Here's a career tip for you. Avoid major financial decisions until Mercury turns direct. Hard work will pay off, but patience is required. Moving on to your love life, Moon in the 7th house on March 19th to 22 can bring intense emotions, deep conversations, or hidden truths in relationships. Singles need to be cautious as Venus retrograde in the 11th house might affect past lovers or deceptive romantic interest. For committed couples, emotional conflicts could arise due to miscommunication from Mercury retrograde. Be honest but diplomatic in discussions. For people in marriage and business partnerships, avoid making big commitments or legal agreements this week. If planning marriage, wait until Venus turns direct for better results. Here's a tip for you. Do not rush into new relationships. Trust must be built slowly. Let's move on to your health. Ketu in the 5th house at 3 degrees may cause digestive issues, anxiety, or stress-related problems. Moon in the 6th house on March 17th could bring sleep disturbances or headaches. Saturn in the 10th house suggests work-related stress. Balance your schedule and avoid overworking. Rahu in the 11th house may cause overthinking or confusion, impacting your mental clarity. Here's a tip for you. Prioritize hydration, healthy eating, and relaxation techniques to maintain well-being. Here are some remedies for you. Offer white sweets or milk-based foods to a temple or a needy person on Monday to strengthen the moon's positive effects. Donate black lentils or feed crows on Saturday to please Saturn and avoid career obstacles. Wear a silver bracelet or white clothing on Friday to enhance Venus's positive energy. This is a week of patience and careful decision making. Avoid impulsive financial actions and focus on career stability and emotional balance. Long-term success is assured if you stay disciplined and avoid distractions. Stay grounded, Taurus. The universe is guiding you towards success, one step at a time. And that's all for today. Hope I have showed you the right path, and I believe that you will follow the path to uplift your life. If you find this video informative and helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.